Hello and welcome. Here I discuss about best IELTS reading preparation tips and tricks. The first is analyze the paragraph. It is common problem among students that they start to read the paragraph without thinking properly. They read again and again but they can't understand the whole meaning of paragraph, so always understand what type of information present in the paragraph. For example, introduction, benefits, negative effects, reasons, solutions and others. Make difference between all paragraphs before answering. The second is learn from weakness. There are many kinds of questions and you find the way how to solve them. Recognized carefully what type of questions in which you don't get good scores. For example, some candidates unable to find answers of headings, some of them do not find answers of true, false and not given. So you never improve the reading unless you know about your weakness. The third is keywords in question. Underline the all important words in paragraph that provide you direction for answers. For this, underline noun, adjective, adverbs as well as recognize the question's demand. Means what kind of information you will find in the passage. The important thing is that keywords in the questions would be synonyms or paraphrasing in the passage. The fourth one, spelling. Making spelling mistakes is very common among students. Always pay attention on singular or plural words. For example, if the answer is skills, but students sometimes write only skill, they don't write S. So write your answer carefully. The fifth point, grammar. Grammar play an essential role in IELTS. If you have good command on English, you can easily understand the meaning of the passage. For example, summary completion questions in which you require grammar knowledge because you need to identify where noun, adjective or adverbs are used. So finally I say that if you apply these tips and tricks for reading preparation, I'm sure you get best score in IELTS reading. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for my new videos and leave a comment in comment section about my video.